Welcome to Cybersecurity Readout. Today, we're diving into the world of free hands-on cybersecurity training. Imagine a gym, but instead of lifting weights, you're flexing your cybersecurity muscles. That's what TryHackMe's Hacktivities is all about. You start with learning paths, structured journeys that guide you through the vast cybersecurity landscape. Think of it as your personal trainer, setting the pace and showing you the ropes. Next, we have modules, bite-sized labs, that let you focus on specific cybersecurity aspects. It's like your own set of dumbbells, allowing you to target and strengthen particular skills. And then there's networks. These are virtual vulnerable networks that provide a realistic training environment. It's the treadmill of cybersecurity, where you can run, stumble, but ultimately learn to keep pace with real-world threats.